guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I am so happy you decided to stop by. I got my hands on the new Fenty Beauty concealer and setting powder. I have been waiting so long to open this up. I bought it, I want to say almost 2 weeks ago, and I've been waiting for me to have to go somewhere to like put it on because I didn't want to just like waste it. Like, I can't waste that. And I also wanted to show you guys like my first impressions and everything like that. So excited. I'm gonna try and use as many Fenty based products as I can, like the primer, the foundation, concealer, and setting powder. So we'll see how it all works and looks together. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now and let's just get into the video. All right, so for primer, I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty primer. I've used this primer on my channel before. It's a really moisturizing primer. I think if you have dry skin, you would really like it. I have normal to oily skin and I still really like this primer, so I think it's worth trying. It doesn't minimize my pores or anything, but it is very moisturizing and it smells really good. For foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade 310. I'm running out of this, so I'm gonna have to get some more. But I just usually do like 3 little dots and just spread it out across my face with my Real Techniques Expert Face brush. This is my favorite foundation brush ever. I still really don't know if I'm 310 or 300 in the foundation because 310 is like so super golden, and I don't think I'm as golden as I think I am, especially not right now in the winter time, so I'm not sure. But then I feel like 300 is a little bit too neutral, so I really don't know. I just used this one because I have it. All right, it is time for the moment of truth. I'm finally going to be using the new Fenty Beauty concealer. I picked up the shade 310 just because that's the shade I have in the foundation. And I'm sure you guys already know this, but the concealer shade and the foundation shade was made to be a little bit lighter. So your concealer shade is not gonna be the exact same shade as the foundation. It's gonna be a little bit brighter. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I love how the packaging is just like a mini version of the foundation packaging. Like, it is so sleek and beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is a good color. I like this color. And it's so creamy. Okay, I don't wanna put too much because I don't know like how full coverage this is, but oh my gosh, this feels so creamy. I'm gonna put some on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And to blend that out, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. I would use my Eco Tool sponge, but it's not clean at the moment. So I'm gonna be using this. It's blending out really easily. Wow. Guys, this stuff is blending out in like 5 seconds. I'm trying to see. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't even see. So right off the bat, after blending out the concealer, I noticed it is not as matte as the foundation. Like, I feel like there's a little bit of dewiness under my eyes right now, whereas with the foundation, like, I don't really like see anything. But with the concealer, it's not as matte as the foundation, which, I mean, I don't really mind. It literally blends out so fast. Oh my gosh. Now for me, I really don't have like super bad bags under my eyes or really like dark under eyes. So honestly, it's really hard for me to tell if a concealer is full coverage or not. But I mean, this looks really pretty to me. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, like seriously a little bit. Wow, I think that looks really pretty. Like I said, it's a little bit more dewy and sticky than the foundation, but I don't really mind that because I don't want my under eyes to be like super dry. I love this color. Like, I'm really not into the super light under eyes and highlight and all that stuff. So I think this color is really nice for me. Oh, I'm so excited to get into this powder though. All right, so I can get it open. Look at this packaging. Like, whoever is in charge of like the design and all that stuff, like, this is gorgeous, and you get so much powder in here. I got the shade Banana. I was kind of stuck between Banana and I think the one before it is called Butter or something like that. But I just went ahead and got Banana because I feel like the other one would have been a little bit too light for me. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It has the little FB right here, and it has the little plastic covering that you just have to take off. And I'm gonna put the top back on and just kind of shake some, if I can put the top back on. I'm just gonna shake some out like this. Whoa. Okay, I like don't want this to spill over, but I want you guys, I'm so scared to see the color. It's so pretty. I knew that was going to happen. Okay. Enough of that. Why do these things happen to me? Okay. All right, I'm just gonna blend out the concealer so that I don't have any creases. And I'm gonna set my eyes. It has a faint smell. Yo, I still have all this powder on my hands, but I'm like trying to get it off with my sponge so I don't waste it. But it has a really, really, really faint smell. It doesn't smell bad. It actually smells pretty good to me. It kind of, to me, smells like the primer a little bit, if you've ever used the primer. Wow. This is so pretty. I wish y'all could see my pants right now. I have powder all over them. That's what I get for trying to be all fancy and show y'all the powder. Like, what was I thinking? Why did I do that? Okay. I'm going overboard. Oh my gosh. It's turning into a disaster. Okay. Who's that? Let me just, okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna put that top on and then blow the powder off the side. Oh my God. And I didn't want to put that much powder on my face. Okay, I'm a mess. I'm a mess, I'm a mess. Oh my gosh, okay, I probably put, no, not probably. I did put way too much powder. Why is this going left? Okay, let me get up close. First impressions, I like the powder. I actually really like the smell, which is kind of weird, but I think it set my face really nicely. Literally, guys, I'm not even kidding you. My pores are gone. Like, I can't see them at all. It feels really soft under my eyes. I love the color. So far, so good. So I am going to get cleaned up because I literally have powder all in front of me right now. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back on camera to show you guys the finished look. All right, you guys, so I got all the powder cleaned up. Thank goodness I got it off my pants. And this is the finished look. I feel like my face looks really good. Like I said, I feel like the powder really did minimize my pores. I feel like the foundation and the concealer work really well together, which of course they do because they're meant to work together. I think my face looks really pretty good. I'm so excited to see how this wears throughout the day. I'm about to go on a date with my boyfriend. We're going to get breakfast and go see a movie. It is currently 10:25 a.m. right now, so hopefully this wears good throughout the day. We'll see how my smile lines go, because my smile lines really act crazy throughout the day, so we'll see if this powder can conquer that. And yeah, we'll see how my oil is throughout the day as well. So I will check in with you guys whenever I get back home. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, I am back. It is currently 5:30 p.m. So I've been wearing this makeup for 7 hours, just about. I'm about to take it off and get in the shower because I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow. But I did just want to hop back on here and show you guys my face. I have not touched up at all, like at all. My smile lines are very prominent right now. Like, they look really bad. I'm a little bit oily around my nose and my cheek area. But I usually always get oily around that area, so that's not a huge surprise to me. Everything is still there. I can still see my contour, my blush, my highlight, everything. I still feel like it looks really pretty. I feel like I probably started seeing oil maybe like 3.5 hours into wearing the foundation and concealer and the powder. I'm just going to touch up really quick so you guys can see what it would look like if you were to touch up throughout the day. So I do have some blotting sheets right here. These are the Palladio rice paper blotting sheets. I get these from Sally Beauty. I'm just gonna take that and just blot everywhere. This is how much oil was on my face. Gross, I know. But that already made it look 10 times better. And for my smile lines, I usually just keep this little brush in my purse with me, and I'll just kind of go over them like this. And that most times does the trick for me to get rid of them. I really love the way the powder performed and the concealer. I typically don't have a problem with most concealers though, but I really truly do like this Fenty Beauty one. So yeah, I'll just keep using it and let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, I think that's all I have to let you guys know. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of the new Fenty Beauty products. And I don't know about you guys, but I would love to see Fenty Beauty come out with setting sprays. Like, I am a setting spray fanatic, so if they ever came out with a setting spray, I would give them all of my money. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios.